Ethos Resist. Ethos Resist graphene coating spray works just like car ceramic wax, but it's easier and safer to use. Durable standalone protection, Resist provides exceptional long-term protection for 6 months or more. Ethos Resist repels dirt, water, rust, and UV rays, leaving a showroom shine. Think of it as armor for your car. A breakthrough hybrid graphene formula is a graphene-infused ceramic spray combined into one product to provide an effortless application with long-lasting results. This spray and wipe formula adds 2-in-1 versatility to enhance coatings or achieve durable, standalone protection. Use Resist on cars, boats, motorcycles, even UPV windows. Unlike some car cleaning products or car ceramic coating products, Ethos Resist is safe on all surfaces. The graphene-infused ceramic spray is designed to be easy and secure to use. It gives an incredibly slick, glossy, and streak-free finish and the perfect combination of ease of use and performance. It uses a ceramic-infused formula that allows you to easily clean, polish, and gloss up your favorite ride without any hassles.